So look at this question. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter given. So one is 6 meter in length, another one is 11 meter. Standing on a plain ground, if the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, then find the distance between the top. So now let me draw the diagram here. Two poles. So one is like this, and this is the distance between their feet. So I take this is pole AB, another pole CD. So now one is 6 meter, this is 6 meter, this is 11 meter, and the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter. So this is 12 meter. Now I need to find out the distance between the tops. So this is AC. So AB is equal to height of pole 1. So that is 6 meter. And then CD is equal to height of pole 2. So that is 11 meter. And then BD, distance between the poles, it is 12 meter. Okay, now we need to find the distance between the tops. So let us draw a parallel line here. In this diagram, I am going to draw a parallel line here. So let us call this as E. So here, let AE parallel to BD. So now AE parallel to BD, that means, so AE will be equal to, BD is equal to, both are equal to 12 meter only. Since these two are parallel, so it is, these two are perpendicular, then distance will be same, here also it will be same, AE will be same. Now in triangle ABC, so in triangle AEC, so let me go to in triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, look at this angles, E will be 90 degree because this is also 90 degree. So angle E is equal to 90 degree. We can write here, angle E is equal to 90 degree. So therefore, applying by Pythagoras theorem. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. Now AC square we want, AE, it is the same as BD, that is 12 square. We can write here 12 square. But CE square we don't have, CE we want. The total length from here to here is 11 and this is 6. Since AB is 6, DE will be 6. So CE is equal to total length CD minus DE I can write. In this diagram, AB and CD length is given, CD length is 11, I want only this length, CE length is total length minus this length. So total length is 11 meter minus 6 meter. So you can write one more step, CD minus instead of DE I can write AB because DE and AB are same. So that is 11 minus 6. So it is 5 meters. So CE is equal to 5 meter. This data we can use there. 5 meter. So here 5 square. 12 also 144. Then this is 25. So it becomes 169. AC square is equal to 169. AC is equal to root 169. So that is 13 meters. So the distance between the tops, you can write distance between the tops is 13 meter. Okay, so that is the solution here. Next question now. D and E are the points on the sides C and CD respectively of triangle ABC. Right angle at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB plus BE square. So let us take one right angle triangle here. And it is clearly told it is right angled at C. You can write this as C. So I can write A, B and this is C. This is 90 degree. Okay. Then D and E are points on the C and CD. C, this is, let us take this point as D. So, and E is a point on the side CD. I will take this is E. Join this one. AE will get, join this one, BD. now you are getting, look at this. So you are getting this diagram and look at this in this question what we have to prove here. A square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. So this is a right angle triangle. So in which, look at this angle in triangle AED. You can select the triangle AED. In triangle AED, angle E is equal to 90 degree. See, angle in triangle not in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. So apply Pythagoras theorem to this one. Triangle AEC means, look at this triangle. This is the triangle I am talking. So this is a right angle triangle. We can apply this Pythagoras theorem here. So I can write AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. We call this as 1. Similarly, this is over. Let us come to the BD. So BD is here in this triangle. This is the triangle BD. So BD square in triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, angle C is 90 degree. So therefore, C is 90 degree. BD square is equal to, look at the diagram, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. We call this as equation 2 now. Okay, what we have to do here, look at this left hand side here, AE square plus BD square. We need to add these two. Add 1 and 2 now. Add equation 1 and 2. What you will get, left hand sides, let us add together. AE square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. So we are getting these 4 terms here, and look at this, we have AB square and DE square here. AB square is nothing but the sum of AC square and BC square. Look at the diagram, AB square is nothing but AC square plus BC square. Combine this AC square and BC square. Let us write this AC square and BC square together. AC square plus BC square. Then remaining 2 together, CE square plus CD square. So we will make this as one group and this as another group. By Pythagoras theorem, all of you look at this. AC square plus BC square is nothing but AB square here. This is AB square. Plus, look at the diagram, CE square. This is CE square. Then CD square. So CE square, this one. CE square is this one. CD square is this one. So CE square plus CD square, you join this one. So join DE. You will get DE square. So you can write here one more construction here, join DE also. In the diagram you can join DE. It is nothing but CE square and DE square is nothing but DE square here. So you can write here DE square. So this, if you want, you can write in triangle, no need of writing, this is enough. So this left hand side AE square plus BD square is equal to, we got AB square plus DE square. That is the proof what we wanted here. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Very simple. First you find out the triangle, right triangle which contains AE. So this is the right angle triangle. Then you find out the triangle which contains BD. So this is the right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Add AE square and BD square. So you will get 4 terms. And look at the right hand side AB square. You will get AB square by adding AC and BC. So therefore AC square plus BC square. So after this and this, so what will AC square and BC square, we left with CE square and CD square, you write together.